If you've ever wanted to open or log into Telegram without using your personal phone number, this updated method is exactly what you need. Whether you want extra privacy or simply don't want to expose your main SIM, today I'll show you a safe, simple way to use Telegram with a virtual number. And yes, this works. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Tap Add an account. Telegram will ask for a country code and phone number, but here's the trick. It does not have to be your real number. You just need a number that can receive the verification SMS. Now, to get that number, open your web browser and search something like free virtual phone number. You'll see several sites, and some of them are sponsored, but feel free to try any that look trustworthy. Personally, I recommend Google Voice because it's more reliable long term, but it's only available in certain countries. If Google Voice is available for you, open the Google Voice app and tap the three-line menu. Go to Settings, then tap Get a Number. Follow the steps to create a new voice number. It'll assign you a US number that you can use to receive SMS codes, including Telegram's verification code. Once you get the code, simply enter it back into Telegram and you're in. But if Google Voice isn't available in your region, no worries, there's another option. Go back to your search results and choose an online SIM or temporary virtual number service. These sites often let you pick a country like Ireland or the UK. Select one of the displayed free numbers, and when you enter it in Telegram, the verification SMS will appear live on the website. Copy the code from the page, paste it into Telegram, and boom, you're logged in without ever using your personal phone number. Before you go, here's a quick warning. Temporary numbers can be risky. If Telegram ever asks you to re-verify your account and that temporary number stops working, you may lose access. That's why Google Voice or any long-term virtual number is a much better option for security and reliability. And that's it. You've just learned the updated, safe, and easiest method to open Telegram without your own phone number. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this.